In today's video, we're going to explore the most popular candies of the 1980s.
Oh yeah, now these, remember these with the stick?
Yes.
You would lick the stick and then dip it in the...
It's powdered sugar. It's literally just flavored powdered sugar.
Well, yeah, but yeah, we were tearing it up back in the day.
We did.
Mm-hmm. All right, what do we got here?
Oh my God, fake candy cigarettes.
Yeah.
Want to be like your dad? Yeah. Just have a candy cigarette.
Remember you tried to take a pull, it wasn't even real, but you looked at your friend and said, look.
It was that chalky...
Oh yeah, lemon heads for sure. These were one of my favorites.
OG sour.
You'd fill your mouth up with like 4 or 5, and that was me at least. But I remember these for sure. Boston baked beans for sure. I remember those. I remember the Red Hots. Very cinnamony, so I wasn't too much into it. But the Boston baked beans and the lemon head, yeah.
Oh, candy necklaces.
Yeah, you had bugs all over your neck.
Right, you got multicolored dripping down your neck.
Yeah.
Tell your friend take a lift.
Yeah. 80s was all about the sugar, wasn't it? Like the Cheerios back then that they were promoting to the kids. That's why the kids were jacked up. Oh,
those are my absolute favorite. You get a little piece of paper on there.
The only time it was acceptable to eat paper.
Yes.
The only time. What were these called? The
button candies, paper dots.
Mary Jane.
Those are the caramel things, right?
Didn't they have like a peanut buttery?
They could. I don't know.
I think they had like a peanut buttery kind of taste. Yeah, I used to eat those for sure.
Tootsie Roll. No, see, that is my jam. I don't know about y'all, but always the chocolate Tootsie Roll Pop. Those are my favorite.
Yeah.
How many takes up? How many?
Well, never mind. Oh, yes.
Oh, my God. Blow Pops.
Oh,
yes.
Come on. If you were a kid in the 80s, you know about these.
The sour apple.
There was gum in the middle that didn't have any flavor.
No, and lasted about two seconds.
Yeah, exactly. Wow, these bring back some memories. I like the watermelon one.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, 25-cent juices.
Oh, my. Liquid water sugar with some coloring in it. But those hit the spot.
And then later on, they came out with the 50-cent ones. Wow.
Now they're probably up to $2.
Do they have these? Do they still have these? Wow. Marinos for sure. Remember the wooden spoon? The wooden spoon?
Yes.
And then you would have to turn it around to get that crusty idea. See, like that. Yes. Oh man.
The juices that used to come at the bottom when it melted a little bit.
Yep. Well, listen, everybody, thank you so much for joining us in this fun video. Until next time. King Vitamin, one of my favorite Cheerios. Yes, I thought we were done with the video.
I thought we were too. Apparently not.